Hi. I own a KitchenAid built-in microwave oven, model #serial #XNU1410010,053, and the white plastic piece on the inside top of the oven has a melted hole in the middle of it. The plastic actually dripped down on my food. It still seems to work, but it is safe. Why did this happen? Can the white plastic piece be replaced, or is there something else happening? Thanks, Dustin.
Hello, my name is Dave. That should just be the cover to the waveguide area. Let me do some checking and I will get back in a few minutes. Does the cover look like this part in the link? Cover picture link.
Yes, that looks like the part.
Nice. That should just snap in place if you can get the old melted one out. You can use it until the part comes, but keep food covered so it doesn't splash up into the waveguide. The site in the link can get the part or any service dealer that sells Whirlpool appliances. Let me know if you need anything else.
Do you know if there is any danger in using the microwave with a hole in that part?
Only if something splashes up there. You could use it as is or take the old part all the way off, but keep food covered to stop slashing.
Okay.
Best wishes to you.
Thank you. I will go buy the part.
You are welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.